data. Uploading data.
This is how the gangsters walk, dog. Gangster walk. It's been a lot of talk about this gangster. 30 years strong, and we still getting it.
Oh man, you fit in perfect around here, man.
Oh man,
That was very, very nice, dude. Like yo,
I never really labbed on it yet, like an actual freestyle. I've just been taking the vocab, like the actual concepts, but I haven't actually
Yeah, you've been taking in the lecture, but you ain't been getting out there putting down that texture.
Yeah,
I got you. So like basically, I don't see nothing wrong with your stage. You just need to speed up. You just got. I see exactly what you're saying. You got to do like some of the musical indentures that you just put on that joint though. That was hard. Like you can dance, dude. Like I'm thinking you just can't dance.
nah, I freestyle regularly. I'm just trying to get the the actual the jookin, the vibe and everything. I'm trying to get that. I see everybody over here they doing their thing. They killing these songs. I'm like, I can't do that yet. But I'm trying to
but you got man. But if you ask any of them, they know that this is about basic detail. This ain't even about how many moves they get.
Yeah.
This is about actually landing the moves. Like that's why I say you fit in perfect around.
Mm-hmm.
Like, and he did it. He did the lesson too.
Yeah, right. I mean, I don't really know. Yeah, keep coming around, man. You're gonna get faster. You know what I'm saying? Like you good.
I'm gonna be here.
Yeah. I got plenty more stuff to go over, like in terms of this season, just the 2G rhythms. The 2G rhythms are so deep, man, because they like the easy ones. They the ones that actually give you the time to think about what you want to do. So that's why I did this one over again. Try to get another group in before I moved on to the 4G, because the 4G is kind of like going to high school or something. Like this elementary school for Jookin. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a whole nother kind of situation when you got to think faster and develop more content in that time span. So, y'all enjoy these while they last if you really like them, because it's not going to always be like this. You're going to have to actually have been here eventually. That's why I keep on. Oh, look who we got coming in. The man of the hour.
P, what up?
P.
What up, P?
What's up, dude? Your audio is not on.
Muted.
We cannot hear you.
What it do, gang?
Okay.
Yes, you can. I see everybody. Oh, here we go. Hirsch.
What up, P?
C in it, B. You know what I'm talking about? DP in it, B. Bruce in it, B. Hold on, I ain't seen you before. Obi?
Yeah, we got some new people, man. We got some new people out, man.
What it do, Obi? Yeah.
bro.
Chelsea in it, joint. Slime. Hi. Roberta. That boy Rob over there in the cut. What's up, gang? Remember? Full beard, huh? Saw you rocking?
I left my Clippers in Atlanta, so shit.
Kev over there, thugging. What's up, man?
All right, brother.
Yeah, I want to say hey to everybody. Oh, we got the whole gang.
Really ugly, boy.
We've been talking
And that
about
boy,
kids,
wait, your head shaped like a chicken nugget, chicken tender.